In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Facebook Messenger for Business Page. By the end, your customers will be able to message your page directly, and you'll know exactly where to find and respond to those conversations. Start by heading to your Facebook business page. Make sure you're using the page with the correct access and that you're logged in as an admin. Only admins can change messaging settings, so if you don't see the right options later, double-check your role or switch into the page's profile. Once you're sure you have the right access, stay on your page's main view. Next, we'll turn on Messenger. Open your page's settings. Depending on your layout, this might be on the left-hand side or in your Page Tools area. Look for the section labeled Messaging, or it might be worded as How People Contact You. Inside that area, find the option that says Allow people to message your page and switch it on. This is the key setting that enables the message icon on your page and lets people start a private conversation with your business. If that toggle is already on, you're good to go. If it was off, turning it on activates Messenger for your page immediately. Now let's make it extra easy for visitors by adding the Send Message button to your page. Go back to your page's main view and look just below your cover photo for the Add button option. Click it, choose Send Message from the list of call to action options, and then click Save. This adds a clear, visible button on desktop and mobile so customers don't have to search for how to contact you. They can start a chat with a single tap. With Messenger turned on and the button in place, it's time to check where those messages will appear. Open the inbox for your page. This is where you'll see customer chats as they come in and where you can reply directly as your business. The inbox lets you read message histories, respond in real time, and keep conversations organized. If you handle a lot of inquiries, consider using labels or marking conversations as done to stay on top of responses. Fast replies help build trust, so try to keep an eye on new messages or set a routine to check them regularly. That's it. Messenger is now active for your page. You've enabled messages, added the Send Message button, and you know exactly where to manage chats. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.